Alright, here is one of two newest vacuums I just picked up today. This is a Simplicity Synchrony Premium tandem upright vacuum. They call it a premium model because if you look on the model number here, there's that P right there that stands for premium. Also, this premium model is red in color. And last but not least, it would also take the HEPA filter as well. So I got this from the thrift store for $7, and I picked it up the exact same time as this Miele S7 Jazz right here. Overall, it works. It's in fair condition. I mean, I can definitely tell it's been scratched up. It looks like that the previous owners tried to tape this around here for whatever reason. And even if you can see right here, even that's broken right there. And even someone must have been sucking up something wet, because I can tell that the bottom plate is rusty. And even the brush strips have seen better days, so it was definitely used quite heavily. But for the right price, it was hard to pass up on. Doesn't have any attachments, but at least both headlights work. So yeah, overall I'm really happy to have this. I've always liked these red models from the Synchrony line. In fact, I even like this particular one more than the blue Ricard Brilliance variant, not just because of the looks, but also I like that you can carry the handle like this, where on the Ricards you only have to go in the back and carry it like that. But nonetheless, I would still love to find the blue Brilliance version. As I said in my other video of the Synchrony Fetch, I do like these machines. It is one of the better tandem models they've ever made. And if these were still being sold back in the day for the right price, I wouldn't have minded buying one, but it wouldn't have been my first choice to get, because honestly, for the money, I'm better off getting a Siebel X4 instead, because they're similar price wise, but the Siebel would for certain outlast this one. May not clean as well as this, but I would rather have something that would last longer than the other. So that being said, I will go ahead and run this machine. I like that I picked this one up because it does have the newer handle grip on it. The older red models would have the older style handle grip where it was prone to breaking, so they molded the handle to where it prevents from doing so. But it still took the same older style cord. The newer ones would look more similar, like a rainbow plug. Get this plugged in. There we go. But not to mention, when I did pick it up, the suction relief valve right here broke off, and even the bumper does need to be reattached back on. So hope you've enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.